omuli Lukunjiri, omuli Isingiro n'omuli Mpukamu. Mwebale nnyo okutwaniriza. Twafunyeyo ne mukwano gaffe ono mupya abasinga mwamulabye ku social media ng'atugoba atubuuzeeko atulaga omukwano. Twasiimye nnyo ssebo. Era Secretary General waffe lazima yasaze amagezi n'akwatagana naye era abadde wakutusurprisinga aje amutwanjulire naye oba oli awo anatuwayo akagambo ku kyaliwe gwatutuusizaako. Weebale nnyo weebalire ddala. Nalabye ng'ab'oku internet mwamutuumye ensi naye ekyo tujja kyogerako mwana ate tukinyukene oli mu kiraamu badde neeralikidde nga manyi kyayinza okuba nga kinywamu naye bulungi olina alasitabuwedda naye singa bakikubye nnyo ttaano mukwasinga Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdina siratal mustaqim Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. To give us a small brief of how we've ended up with our brother here. See.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. I also join others in, of course, condemning very strongly the blockade of our offices and the violations of human rights that we've witnessed today. Our office has been turned into a military police barracks, which shows the cowardice of the regime. Well, today we are celebrating 4 years, and like the president said, we are meant to have a very big function. But today we are meant to have a press conference to set stage for that. Like the president said, we shall continue to ask for Kololo because we believe we also, as citizens, have a right to use that venue. If it means going to the Equal Opportunities Commission, if it means going to courts of law to demand that we are treated equally as other citizens, we shall do that. But some people have been asking, why commemorate? The journey has been long. They have been having many challenges, trials and tribulations. Many people are in prison as we speak because of association with us. Many have been killed. So we wanted to pray for them at this occasion and to stand in solidarity with them. But very importantly, there are other things that we've been able to achieve just in 4 years of NUP. One, we achieved victory against Museveni. Everyone knows that we won Museveni in that election and we were rigged. That's the first achievement. The second achievement, we've been able to get thousands of political prisoners out of detention. We've supported them with welfare. We have been able to have mobilization committees all across the country. We have also been able to establish a school of leadership and to have the best headquarters of any political party in Uganda and perhaps East Africa. We have also been able to expose the regime, internationally. You have seen sanctions and all that. But most importantly, we've been able to awaken the people. I think the greatest achievement of NUP and our president, Robert Kyagulanyi, in this country has been to involve people like this. This is the reason why this man, we brought him today. This has been the greatest achievement. People like him, who used not to be concerned about politics. This man here has been selling bananas in Isingiro. But to see that he thinks that he also has to get involved in politics, in knowing the direction of the country, that is the largest and biggest achievement of NUP over the past 4 years. Awakening, trying to involve them and to make sure that a person like Rosio Kihura is involved also in the politics of our country. So that's what I wanted to say.
Very glad to see you.
Warai,